I am Vilgax, and I have come for the Omnitrix. At last we meet.
I will do whatever it takes. Congratulations! You've managed to knock me off balance. To save this planet, child.